New details tonight as AI tools can have a huge impact on people with limited mobility. Virginia's Sheltering Arms Institute is using AI technology to help patients regain their independence. 8 News reporter Sierra Krug joining us live tonight to show us how this local rehab center is doing this. Sierra.
Well, Heather, many of us might be used to using voice-activated technology like this in our homes. But for those forced to make the hospital their temporary home after a serious injury, Sheltering Arms recently installed 30 similar devices in their spinal cord injury and complex care units.
This is just temporary.
22-year-old Jaiden was scootering to work last summer when a truck hit him, changing his life and what was in store for the Virginia Union University student's senior year.
Just something I have to mentally stay strong and get through.
Paralyzed from the chest down with a C4 spinal cord injury, Pikett works every day with his team and technology like this robotic exoskeleton to regain mobility.
Just to do things on my own. Every time I come, I increase in my weights. I'm able to do more with my arms.
Scientific innovation.
Hi, I'm Alexa.
Helping in more ways than one.
And I'm here to make your stay more comfortable.
Sheltering Arms Institute, installing Alexa Echo Dots in 30 patient rooms across their spinal cord injury and complex care units. Amber Walter says it helps give patients a modernized way to take control, making the hospital feel more like a home.
Some of the things that we would traditionally need to do through the speaker that is on their bed, and touching and moving those controls that they could do now via voice.
One of the biggest features I'm told patients have been loving is the TV, and I think my favorite show is on. Alexa, change to TV channel 8.
Okay.
And for Pikett, it's the music.
Alexa, play jazz music.
And the role it plays in helping him keep a positive mindset.
My last year of college, I had a lot of big plans and things I wanted to do before my accident, but now I'm trying to stay positive, trying to think of more things that I can physically do.
Now, I'm told those devices in the hospital are equipped with special, unique modifications to make sure privacy is not breached, and that separates it from these. For now, live in Chesterfield County, Sierra Krug, 8 News.